Smart manufacturing is a concept that has, in one way or another, been part of my 30-year career in manufacturing R&D. When I think of smart manufacturing from a technology perspective, I think of two major aspects. Firstly, all of the building blocks that make up a smart manufacturing solution. So think about sensing or process control or analytics or predictive models. And the second piece of that is the technology that enables information to move between these building blocks so that decisions can be made by the right people at the right time in the right place. And the decisions can be made by systems as well. Now, this is certainly not easy. Doing this well requires a significant amount of investment in technology. You need to have the right talent within your organization. You need to have the right business models to make it successful. Now at CESMII, our mission is to ensure that everybody, all manufacturers of all sizes, small, medium, large, and across multiple industries, not just one, that they can leverage smart manufacturing for improvements in things like energy and productivity, quality, waste, so on and so forth. Now, we want to do this collaboratively by working with our members and our technology partners that are part of our institute, and do so in a fashion that is not vendor agnostic. So we don't want to build solutions that are specific to one particular technology or one particular vendor. We want to solve hard problems, those that cannot be solved by one single company, and they need partners to be able to solve those problems. Now, as I said, it's not easy. But at CESMII, we like to think that these challenges are actually fantastic opportunities for us. And one of my favorite things to say is that in order to be successful in your mission, you first need to know where you are. You have to have a very compelling vision of where you want to be. And then you have to start small and you have to demonstrate quick wins so you can demonstrate value and then feed that frenzy. And to help us do that, we've created a very comprehensive roadmap. Over 100 people came together and developed this roadmap for us a couple of years ago. And that roadmap outlines our objectives and deliverables in 4 different but very highly integrated priorities and priority areas. One being enabling R&D, and this could include gaps that need to be filled in sensing, control, analytics, predictive modeling, and so on. Second is the smart manufacturing innovation platform that enables that movement of information between these pieces and do so in a scalable way. Third is ecosystem and workforce development. So this could include the knowledge base, the content creation, and the training for the different personas that exist in the ecosystem. And then lastly, business practices that help accelerate how we adopt smart manufacturing in the businesses. And this roadmap serves a very important role in helping us drive as an institute what we do and how we do it. And I'm proud to say that we not only have the means to do it, but more importantly, the collaborative partnerships to be successful.